Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this 2017 Nissan Maxima SV that we have for sale. One cool full-size sedan with luxury car comfort. The Maxima is Nissan's flagship sedan, and this particular SV is very nicely equipped with features. Beautiful leather, zero gravity seats, nice contrast stitching throughout the interior, power and heated front seats. You have a drive mode selector for normal, sport, so it basically makes changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, and traction stability control settings. Xtronic Cvt Transmission. CVT stands for continuously variable transmission. Nissan is very big on using these transmissions. They've been making them for many, many years. And I don't want to go into the nuts and bolts of it, but the benefits of a CVT transmission, it can offer an almost infinite amount of gear ratios, so you have that perfect ratio for that current driving situation, being it performance or you're looking for more economy. Keyless ignition with push button start, dual zone auto climate control, navigation, rear parking camera, automatic nibbing mirror of universal garage door opener. I love this flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel, very sporty feel to it. And this is a sporty vehicle as well, of 300 horsepower. It's capable of 0 to 60 in 5.7 seconds. Not too long ago, that was almost high performance car territory. I think the original Acura NSX, if you guys are familiar with that, or girls, watching this video, mid-engine high-performance car, supercar made by Acura. I think when it came out, it did 0 to 60 in like 5.8 seconds. So it's kind of amazing how far our cars have come as far as performance goes for a full-size front-wheel drive sedan to go 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, like this Maxima. And being a large sedan, of course, you're going to have plenty of interior space. I had that front seat adjustment for my height. I'm 6'2", and I still have plenty of space back here. Excuse me. This Maxima looks great in white, and white is such an easy color to take care of. I prefer white cars myself. As a car industry veteran, I see how colors hold up over the years, and white is just so easy. Scratches, surface imperfections that inevitably are going to happen as the years and miles roll along don't seem to show up quite as much on white cars versus black, which seems to show everything, especially in direct sunlight. I love the brushed aluminum trim throughout the interior. This Maxima comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle that you buy from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. I was doing some research on the Maxima. Obviously, I'm pretty familiar with it over the years, but this is a newer version that I'm not quite as familiar with. I believe it had a pretty substantial facelift in 2017, lots of improvements. One thing that hasn't changed in Maxima is the workhorse 3.5 liter V6. It's won lots of awards. Don't fix what isn't broken. They actually use these engines in brand new 2019 and 2020 Infinitis that cost $60,000, $70,000. Nissan and Infinity have really put all their eggs in one basket to develop one of the best V6s they can. Maintenance-free timing chains, platinum tip spark plugs allow you to not have to do your first major tune-up till 105,000 miles. And the engine is designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles. And believe me, I've seen many variations of these engines come in with 200 and 300+ miles still running strong. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.